Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So I'm going to open this Pop Race Pandem S13. We have seen quite versions of this one, but initially I was actually really confused about the pricing because at some places it was $17.99 and then there were some sellers that are bringing this up directly from China and it was $14.99 I think. Yeah, I got this one for 1500 around, which is quite a good price for a Pop Race because I think this is having opening hood as well. So let's open this up and see what we have got here. There are a few other versions already released, the black one and I think the blue one as well, but I like this one the most, so I grabbed this one. And with this actually I have got this as well. You see this crazy car, this is so good. I really like how they created this card art. This is very sick. I like this silver on the back. So I'm going to open this, but not in this video of course. I'm going to open this in another video because I try to make separate videos for each of these so that when somebody is actually searching for the car video, they can find and see just the car they wanted to see. So are you ready? Yes. You can't be ready for something this old. Damn, this is so good. Look at this car, man. Just look at this car. This is so good. The color combination, the wheels, the rims, the tow tires on the side of the tires, the number 66, the trim, the blending of these two colors is just crazy. I love it. I love it. I love this silver, red and this gold combination. Wow. This is just a beautiful piece of art. We have Rocket Bunny Racing logo on the back and see those exhaust. Wow. And look at that detail, the support for spoiler. Wow, this is just beautiful. Wow. And this is your front, the crazy radiator, the crazy lights, indicators and every details. It says something here, I'm not able to read it. It says www.trakyoto.com. Wow, just wow. And this is your top. Here is your top, the silver top. This is very plain. This is how it is in the real car as well, and it looks really crazy actually. It says Rocket Bunny on the hood. On the bottom we have all the detailings possible, but I really personally love this exhaust detail. It says Pop Race, made in China, and let's see if this opens. Yeah, it does. Look at that. Look at that engine. And I don't know if this is V6. I think it's V6. All the turbo detail, engine details and everything, and all the pipings, battery and every damn thing possible. You see the radiator. This is the best 1500 spent so far. Well, of course this rolls well. Pop Race cars rolls really well, and the best part is that it actually sets real low. Let me show you actually. You see that? This sits so low, very low, and looks so good. Man, I love it. Love it. I'm sure many of you have this. I mean, I like this casting so much. I think probably I'll get the black one as well now, because of course this needs a friend, a Silvia. I have many Silvias already, but every damn Silvia is crazy. And there's one thing I forgot to show you. I just noticed, look at those red seats inside, man. Oh wow. And the roll cage inside is silver. Even they have created a metal piece for the gear, if you can see, in the middle. Oh my god, this is just crazy. We have bars over here as well. Man, this is going to be one of the favorite Silvias so far. I do have few other Silvias, but no one of them is even close to this. Do let me know what you think about this car. See you in the next one. I'm going to unbox the Pandem. I'm going to shoot that video and I'll put that on YouTube soon. But before that, just tell me how much you like this casting, and do you have it? If you don't have it, I'd really recommend to buy this ASAP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.